about teddy bear with us. He's going to give us some tips. Proceed, gentlemen.
So the first thing,
He is the chocolate boy of
Wait, listen to him, guys, listen to him.
so the first thing that, in the relation should be done. The mutual understanding should be there.
ये पांडे ऐसा बंदा
अरे
है पीपीटी के ग्रुप डिस्कशन में भी सोता है
अरे भाई साहब
सच्ची में सो रहा था
अरे he's giving some relationship advice यार, listen to him.
पीपीटी की कीड़ी में सो रहा
Speak,
था
gentlemen.
Yeah. The first should be there should be a mutual understanding.
Okay.
There shouldn't be any kind of sexual attraction.
Okay.
Then there should be a bonding between both of them.
Okay.
That's what.
ये पांडे अकेला बंदा है जिसने 7-8 लड़कियों को पटा रखा है
जो भी बताया है ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं होता है. Ask everybody from relationship advice.
Any relationship advice?
Any advice you want to give to youngsters? Yeah.
तकलीफ हुआ तो मुझे फोन करना, बस बोल दूंगा.
Or any focus on your studies. Girls will come later. Okay.
See, I have heard Chetan Bhagat saying that boys are fool. They just look into the beauty of the women, but the girls aren't fool. They look into the inner beauty, the money, the how much you can secure her. So basically, don't run behind girls.
But hello guys, welcome back. Now we are just
Meet our new friend.
this is Shreyas bhai. We are just brothers.
He's just number 13.
We all are brothers.
Would you give some relationship advice?
She's our sister.
Just ask and go.
She's
and
our
say, I
sister.
love you.
Hi.
She's in NCC.
She's
Yeah.
NCC cadet.
Okay, okay.
She has got.
No.
Online C certificate.
Don't be racist.
We are all brothers.
We are in
And
the
just
same
we are
cemetery.
just going to Khadagwasla in just before 2 and 3 months.
Yeah.
And we are just going to do all the masti.
He is
there.
a very passionate man. I can see him. He will. This bloody chap will make it.
We all will qualify and
This bloody chap will make it.
If you want his number, contact me.
But a very important fact. Important fact. Yeah, what is he doing? You know what he's doing? He's saying if you want his number, then please contact me. And he's actually giving his number. Very important fact. Here at night you can see leopards, deer and bear. If you are lucky, and you can see it now also. I am seeing a donkey here also. I am also seeing a donkey. Guys, we just had our lunch, and in lunch there was veg biryani, right? Couldn't film it because of some reasons, but we enjoyed. Now we are going to take some rest, and after that we are going to trek again. Trek again. Trekking. Now let's go.
देखेगा तो यहाँ से.
ओमकार क्या करके आ रहे हो? हैं? So where are you going? Tell me.
We are going for rafting.
We are going rafting. Yeah.
Meet him
We are going for rappelling there. Like, from here?
from here 1 kilometer.
Okay.
And it's a very
That
It's a very
दोस्तों okay.
फटी पड़ी है
और सबसे होगा ठीक है दोस्तों. और एक साथ बोलना है
अगर उसके पास डिटर्मिनेशन
और एक साथ बोलना है.
ये मोटिवेटिंग बंदे नहीं चाहिए.
2, 1 नहीं हो रहा है क्या? दोस्तों फटी पड़ी है. Please don't try this at home.
Yeah, please don't
And
try
even
this at
just
home.
watch our episode in Discovery Channel.
hardly a
Man
place.
vs Wild.
And you will also not find this at home. We need a place to stand there. Be careful. And don't fantasize about these things. It's very dangerous.
Just
भाई साहब क्या बंदा है ये?
There are tons of beehives and hardly there's a place to stand.
There's tons of beehives.
Yeah, you can roll like a ball there. So be careful, be safe, and enjoy.
Are we walking there for like 1 kilometer? Are we walking?
No, we were running further.
Really?
Yes.
no, yeah, it's mountain.
So no trucks and all for carrying us?
No trucks.
No.
Only our legs. That's it.
So are you not tired? Seeing your physical health, I thought you were tired.
No. If we have 10, like number 10, if we can't be tired, why should I be tired?
Yes, you were right. But he's a fit guy. I think he's a fit guy.
I'm fit but not that much.
Yes, you are right.
I'm just
You don't look fit, but you are actually fit because in IO he has a greater score than me.
Yes.
That's what I'm saying.
No,
but
he's
not better than me.
We don't compare with newbie.
he can just able to manage his weight and body also.
Okay,
So he is really fit for it.
Yeah, we always just celebrate and all. Mashallah.
He's a good vlogger. Hope his channel grows. Like, subscribe, and share.
By seeing this cute teddy bear's face, please subscribe.
If you want the cute teddy bear's number, you can subscribe.
if you want that cute teddy bear number, please contact me.
How was the journey? Tell something about his journey here.
About my journey?
Yes. From top to
okay.
bottom to top.
In the starting, I was a little scared,
Yeah.
nervous.
Yes.
But when I started doing it, it was like a piece of cake for me.
Yeah, 3 minutes why he'll
It
roast
was,
you
it was like a piece of cake for me. But in the cave one,
Yeah,
I got scared. I got real scared.
Yes, yes.
Not gonna lie. But after doing it for like, after crossing the half path of it, I got like confidence.
Yeah, confident and you did it.
Yeah, I did it. Yes. It's all about, you know, perception.
Perception, yeah.
भाई ये सेम रास्ता से नीचे नहीं जा रहा है?
It's it's everyone's point of view.
Yes.
If you think of it, then you can make it.
Yes. There's nothing impossible
if you
in this
think-
world.
if you think
you
if
want
you-
to become thin like this boy,
If you think it's hard, then it is hard. If you think it is easy, everything will be possible.
yes.
That's what I'm saying.
Everything is possible in love and war.
Why do you divert everything to love? Why do you divert everything to love?
Because I had a heartbreak when I was in 8th grade.
Oh.
After 2 months.
Hash 1 like for his heart. Just fix it. For each 100 likes, we will be providing him Fevicol. So please, for his heart, please give some likes so that we can fix his heart.
And please sympathize your views in the comment section.
Yes.
अरे ताजपोशी करनी किसी को?
Oh, Lota party.
भाई ये कौन सा रास्ता है
We
भाई?
are going through the jungle. Wow.
And here Mangal hoga.
Somebody gave me the helmet.
ये कहाँ से उठता है?
ताजपोशी. Thank you. हो गया?
इसको बांध, इसको ना आगे कर ले।
लगा दो. Wait guys, wait.
Guys, don't try to इसको लंबा कर।
कैसे होगा?
भाई चलते चलते तो नहीं। अरे फोन नहीं यूज कर।
Okay, nice. Okay, we are moving. Nice.
आज से तुम हमारे रक्षा के जिम्मेदार।
Okay, I have the helmet.
ताजपोशी हमारी हो चुकी है।
If I fall, then this will save my head.
Only head. Okay, इसमें घुसा दे तेरे को गुफा में।
Tell something not.
What I'm saying that we are on episode 13 episode of a Man vs Wild.
Okay.
And what I'm saying that there are so many madas and nurse here. Okay.
Also some types of balloons falling everywhere.
What kind of balloons?
And many of the couples have now mustache here.
Now something is gonna happen with
प्यार
him.
निकल के आया जब पत्थर पर हाथ पकड़ने को थामने को दिया गया था।
Bro, come here. I'll help you.
अबे सामने साले गिरेगा।
और कुछ लाइमलाइट खींचने के चक्कर में लगे पड़े हैं।
I'll help you. We have to go a long journey from here. Where is my teddy bear?
Guys, I also got a helmet.
Yeah. Wear it.
You have to pay extra 500 rupees for the helmet.
Really?
We haven't paid it, but we got it.
भाई साहब.
एपिसोड मैन वर्सेस वाइल्ड का आपको नर मादाएं साथ में दिखने को मिल रही हैं।
ये जो फूल होता है, आप इसे ऐसे करके खा भी सकते हैं।
आगे दिखाइए, आपका काम कर रहा है।
और अगर किसी को कोई
भाई साहब.
There are many funny people here.
They are very funny. They maintain.
but this video is very informative. Just be with us, okay? We will teach you that how to just
How to handle tough situations.
tough situation with extraordinary equipments.
How to handle tough situation in a funny mood. Yeah.
आपको पानी की आवाज आ रही है, हम पानी की तरफ जा रहे हैं।
Are we really? दिखाइए.
इसे हम खा सकते हैं, लेकिन एक बात जरूर ध्यान में रखे खाते समय, इसे यूं निकलना है।
ये अगर आप मिट्टी देख सकते हैं काफी भुरभुरी है और मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि पानी
अरे तो यार कहाँ डालोगे मिट्टी को यार?
पानी आसपास में है.
अगर इस घास को आपने यूं की जगह यूं निकल लिया तो आप निकल लेंगे।
और गाइस जैसा कि मैंने कहा था पानी बहुत ही नजदीक है। वो देखिए पानी मुझे यहाँ से दिख रही है।
इस पहाड़ से भागना।
अरे एकदम हो रहा है।
अरे सारा ऐसे चल के उतर
Bro,
जाएंगे तो कूदेंगे।
very come on boy.
अरे यार दीदी आगे चलो यार।
Wearing this helmet makes
मिलने
me.
नहीं वाला, बस आवाज आएगी।
Wearing this helmet makes me feel hot.
ओ यार
Coming. The way is very dangerous. You can see easily. There's helicopter. Don't know where.
हमारा हेलीकॉप्टर आ चुका है।
Yeah, everybody can hear it.
जल्दी करो।
Helicopter.
आग जलाओ।
Oh, भाई.
और वो हमें पानी
Easy.
आग जला के धुआं करो।
Nice.
वो हेलीकॉप्टर आ रहा है मिलने के लिए।
गाइस
Come on, everyone, move.
नहीं जा सकते।
Move. Oh, अरे.
इधर ओमकार आ गया।
ये काफी स्पेशल टाइप की पेड़ है, इसको पहले कैप्चर करो।
हाँ ठीक है ठीक है। इसकी खासियत क्या है? It can be used as a tissue paper.
काफी एंटीसेप्टिक होता है।
Come on Rudransh, come on.
You can use this also.
अरे उसको कैप्चर कर रहे।
क्या लिखा है उस पे? तिन त्रिम चंदू मनु
उसको बैट में सॉल्व करेंगे।
मना सब बैट में सॉल्व करेंगे। भाई ये क्या बन
लोग गाली लिखते हैं नाम को।
भाग यहाँ से जल्दी। Who fall? Somebody fell off. Easy, very good.
नो कैजुअलिटी,
No casualty. We are good to go.
If you are with UPians and Biharians, there is no casualties.
No casualty. We are very helpful. We have to go there, right?
Yeah. I think it's a very long way.
Yes, you are right.
I think I.
और इधर वीडियो इधर। और आप कुछ ऐसी नेचुरल चीजें को औजार की तरह यूज कर सकते हैं।
सच कह रहा हूँ, ये जमीन बहुत ही स्लिपरी है।
हाँ, it is. If you have good shoes, then you can survive.
Yeah.
Yes. And good grip also. Yeah. In your foot.
If you have good shoes, then obviously you will have.
No. The power I am talking about. You should have the power in your legs.
हमें लकड़ी से घर बनानी होगी। घर के साथ उड़ जाएंगे। और कुछ छपरी हमारे टीम में भी है, तो आगे बढ़ चुके हैं बहुत।
ये बहुत लंबा रास्ता है दोस्तों।
We are still in the way.
अबे कैमरा
के और कुछ नर यहाँ पर टिकटॉक बनाने की कोशिश में है।
आप
रास्ते में उठा के नीचे फेंक दिया जाएगा।
आप रास्ता देख सकते हो दोस्तों कैसा है।
करने की कोशिश करेंगे तो फिर टिकटॉक बनाते रहे अपना।
We are good to go because we are in a group.
Yeah. You can see the crowd of the people. Yeah, there we can see the Pandey bhai. Pandey. Okay. We are going through a very thin road, दोस्तों. We rarely have a place to keep the leg. You can see the owner of the channel, Mr. Aryan Raj.
That's what I'm saying, bro.
He have the tricks to cross the road.
I told you already.
Yeah.
I've also told my audience.